Hello, and welcome to Supreme Online Marketer. I'm Cristina. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download a video clip from Facebook. But before I begin, if this is your first time here on the channel, I would like to invite you to click on the big red button below and subscribe. And be sure to leave a comment saying I've subscribed. Oh, and don't forget to click on the bell icon too, so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So with those things out of the way, let's get started. So what you're going to do once you've logged into your Facebook account is locate that video clip you want to download. Okay, so I've done so right here. I've already located that video, okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to right-click on that video. Then you're going to select Show Video URL. Once you do that, you're going to see a window pop up. At this point, what you want to do is you want to copy this URL. In order to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to left-click on it so it highlights the entire URL. Now, at this point, you want to copy it. Okay, so there's two ways of doing that. You can select the control button along with the letter C on your keyboard, and that will copy it on your clipboard. Or you can right-click on this URL and select Copy. Once you've copied it to your clipboard, you want to open up a new tab right here on your browser, okay? Click on that plus sign to open up a new tab. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to paste the URL here where the cursor is blinking, okay? What you can do is you can do one of two things. You can paste it in here by clicking on, selecting Control V on your keyboard, or you can right-click and select Paste so that it pastes that URL here on this address bar. So what you're going to do is you're going to replace the www with something else. So what we're going to do is you're going to place your cursor right in front of the last W. Then hit the backspace on your keyboard 3 times. Now at this point, we're going to replace it with the following. You're going to type in mbasic, M-B-A-S-I-C, okay? Now once you've done that, you want to click on the Enter button. Then the video is going to come up. Here, go ahead and click on the video. And you want to pause this video for a moment. Here you're going to right-click on the video. And you can either select Save Video As, or you can use the shortcut by clicking on the Control S on your keyboard, right? Or what you can do is you can click here on the video, on the 3 dots here on the video, and select Download, which is what I'm going to do. Now, what you want to do here is you want to keep in mind that you want to keep all of your videos in one location, right? So that you can access them later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder on my desktop, and I'm going to name it Marketing Videos. So this way, when I'm ready to upload these videos that I've downloaded, I know where to access them from, right? So let me go ahead here and download this video. So you're going to go ahead and click on the download button. Now, when you do this, you're going to see a window come up, okay? And it's automatically going to have you save this file onto your downloads folder. But what I want to do is I want to save this video under my desktop. So I'm going to click on desktop so that I can create a folder. Let me go ahead and delete this. 1 second. I created that when I was practicing. So what I'm going to create this new folder under desktop is marketing videos, okay? If you see here, there's an option to create a new folder once you've selected desktop. So go ahead and click on new folder because you want to create a new folder named, let's say, marketing videos. Marketing videos. Now, once you've typed in marketing videos, click on enter so you can save that folder that you've created. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to save this file under the marketing videos, right? And in order to do that, what you want to do is you want to double click on the marketing videos folder in order to open it up. Okay, now what's going to happen is you're going to save this file under this folder. Now, as you can see, this file here already has a file name, but I want to change it, okay, so that this way I know exactly what video I downloaded, so in the future I know which one I'm uploading, right? So here what you want to do is you want to click on this field, the file name, with the left mouse click, and I'm going to rename it video 1. But you can name it whatever you'd like, so this way you know which video it is that you saved, okay? Now, once you've typed in video 1, you want to go ahead and click on save, okay? This way it's going to save it inside of your marketing folder that you just created under your desktop. So go ahead and click on save. Now, you save that file, that video clip that you downloaded from Facebook on your desktop under your folder named Marketing Videos, which we just created here, right? Does that make sense? I hope that's clear enough and you understand how to download a video and save it so that you're able to access it later in order for you to upload it into any of your social media platforms. So that's pretty much how you download a video clip from Facebook. Now, if you're still not clear on how to do this, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And if you want to learn how to download an image, then go ahead and click on the link below in the description box. And that pretty much sums it up. Listen, I really hope this helped you understand how to download a video clip from Facebook. And if you really enjoyed this video today, if you got some value from it, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and let me know what you thought in the comments below. And like I mentioned before, if this is your first time here on the channel, I would like to invite you to click on the big red button below and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon too, so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Take care. I'll see you soon.